Hi, I get all the exciting jobs. Right now I want you to watch this light. I'm going to turn it on. Yes, what do you mean it's not on? It is, but it's so dim you can't see it. That is the problem. I suspect it's the power supply, not the light. You want to know where the power supply is? That's easy. It's actually in that box there. Here it is. As you can see, it's been here for a few years, but that's not the point. The thing I don't like about these particular brand of box is that the screws are recessed. So you're thinking, yeah, that'll keep them out of the rain. No, it doesn't. When the rain comes down or blows in, it just sits in there. This one's already lost 2 screws because of rust. Let's see if we can open the remaining 2. One. 2. Yeah, it's corroded. Oh, lots of spiders. Kind of what I thought. So this hasn't been open for years. It's yeah. That's the cable off to the light. Let's see what voltage we get on it. Let's zoom in on that. Go and start it up. Well, I'll be damned. It's giving out 12 volts. Not a very good 12 volts. Let's change it all anyway. Well, this is where the junction box was. I'm going to change it and put this one up. You'll see it has 3 glands because that's one for the pump, one for the light, and one for the next water feature. There's a big cavity behind it, so yes, I'm going to put a large blob of silicone behind it and then fix it up, take it from there. And yes, I have put some on the back of the box. Screws. Stop that off. I'll get the screw. Now to put the other cables in. And yes, I am going to put a bead of silicone across here just to be on the safe side. But let's get the other cables in first. This one is obviously the light. This one goes to the next feature. Sorry, this one goes to the pump. There's a cable up first. I'll have to cook like Toby. That's it. I prefer these boxes because they have large plastic bolts, not screws, bolts. I've had a couple of them and they've been here for, I don't actually know, 25 odd years. You can still open them, nothing to corrode, and the bolts are nice and easy to do. I've got a silicone across the top here, I'll do that now. And yes, I've got to tighten up the glands. Never find my silicone spreader whenever I need it. But I found my silicone tool. That's on the right angle. There we go. I would do the other side as a precaution, but that's in the way, so I won't. Well, that wraps it up. If you found this interesting, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't find it interesting, hit the thumbs up button 3 times. If you want to show your support, please buy me a coffee, link down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.